another Minecraft video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build the Willys Jeep. It's the Jeep that was used by the U.S. Army during World War II. So, today, okay, so what you want to do is for the first layer, you are going to need nether brick stairs, a green block, an item frame, and a stone brick slab. So, let's move over. So, let's just go right here. What you're going to want to do, so first, place down your slab there, so you have a slab. Now let's put 1, 2, 3, and then go in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there, then have another slab facing like, how did I do that? Like that. So have this thing as the wheel. Let's put our item frames on it. And then put our hubs, wheel cap thing, capsule things. Let's do like this, and do the same like that. There. So I have our wheels. So this is it for the first layer. So for the second layer, what you're gonna want to do is get a grill block, or like a block that is like a grill-ish. It's like the thing on the car, like right there, stuff. You know what I mean. Where would I find one like that? I'm not going to use that because that's off color. How about, let's use I'm kind of stuck. Okay, let's use the weird looking quartz block and do that. So, want your quartz pillar, so place that there. And now, what you're going to want to do is take your stone brick slab, stair, and then put it like that. And then place a block here and there, and place it facing there and there. So you have this weird thingy shape, like that. Now, once you're done, you want to place a slab there, and then place stairs like this. Now you got that, you are done with this layer. So, next, what you want to do is place the only block of green in this whole vehicle and put it right there. Now I want to take light gray stained glass pane and put it like that for your windshield. And sometimes they do have a 30 cal right here, but I'm not going to put that because it looks weird. Now I want to take your music disc, preferably stall, because it looks like a steering wheel. Let's get an item frame. So let's put our item frame here, there, and there. So now we got ourselves a steering wheel. So now what you'll want to do is take your green carpet and cover up this right there. And you might want to cover up, either just take a map or cover that up or something. You can put a extra spare hub or a wheel right there, and you're done. You're done with the vehicle. Oh wait, no I'm not. You're not done, because there is a mod, if like a modish kind of thing, where you can put like a green carpet thing over it. I forgot. I'll show you how to do that in like another video. So here is your Willys Jeep. Let's just give myself an MAP. M-A-P. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, wait, no. So what I'm gonna do is make the sides green. This goes into oblivion. This way. Good, wait, what? No. I don't want dark spots. Sheep! Why must you be here? So, let's control. Okay. Now, since I am triggered that it's not that green, I just put item frames all like this. So and just put it like that. It's really bright. So if you wanna, I'm just gonna, I'm just prolonging my death there. There's the Willys Jeep, and I'm finally gonna do my half track, which is actually pretty good by my standards. So, I see you guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you found this tutorial good, and hopefully you add it to your world. So, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!